Imagine waking up to the sound of sheep and seabirds, not traffic. You pour a cup of tea and gaze out at green fields, stone walls, and the wild Atlantic. This isn't a postcard fantasy, it's daily life for those who've embraced Ireland's offshore islands. Here, time slows, neighbors know your name, and the tides set the pace. The Irish government is now inviting new residents to join these cherished communities, offering a chance to truly belong. Trade the hustle for a windswept morning walk, afternoons in your garden, and evenings by a pub fire with music and laughter. Island living is about reconnecting with nature, neighbors, and yourself. The wealth here is measured in sunsets, shared stories, and a sense of home. The Irish word means more than welcome. It's a way of life, especially on the islands. Newcomers are embraced, taught local history, and included in the vibrant tapestry of island life. If you're seeking adventure, purpose, and belonging in retirement, Ireland may be calling your name. This is your invitation to a life that's simple, rich, and truly your own. Ireland's offshore islands are strongholds of culture and tradition, where Gaelic is spoken and folklore thrives. Facing population decline, the Irish government launched the Our Living Islands policy, a 10-year plan to revitalize these unique communities. The goal: make the islands attractive for living, working, and raising families, not just for tourists. The centerpiece is a generous grant program offering substantial financial help to those willing to make an island their permanent home. By moving here, you're not just finding a beautiful place to retire, you're joining a national effort to preserve a living culture. It's a chance to make your retirement meaningful, impactful, and deeply connected. The grant offers up to €84,000, about $90,000, to help renovate older, vacant island homes. It's an extension of the Croix Connaught scheme, with a special boost for island properties. To qualify, buy a pre-1993 property that's been vacant at least 2 years. No new builds or move-in ready homes. The grant covers major renovations, roofs, insulation, windows, plumbing, and more, making these cottages modern and efficient. It's a reimbursement grant. You pay for the work, then submit receipts for reimbursement up to the approved amount. Grants are tiered up to €60,000 for vacant homes, €84,000 for derelict ones. In return, you must live in the home as your main residence. No flipping or holiday rentals. The goal is to build real communities, not just investment properties. You don't need to be an Irish citizen, but you must have the legal right to reside in Ireland. Securing the right visa is essential, which we'll cover next. The grant helps with the house. The visa lets you call it home. Ireland wants new neighbors, not just new landlords. This is your chance to become part of something lasting. To live in Ireland, you'll need the right visa. Most retirees choose Stamp 0 for people of independent means. Stamp 0 lets you live in Ireland long-term, provided you don't work or claim state benefits. You'll need to show a guaranteed annual income of at least €50,000 per person, plus enough savings for major expenses. Private health insurance is required, and you must apply from your home country with detailed financial and personal documentation. Once approved, register with Irish Immigration for your residence permit. Stamp 0 is renewable each year. If you don't meet the financial requirements, a long-stay D visa may be possible. But it's more complex. For most, Stamp 0 is the clearest path to making your Irish island dream a reality. The grant and the visa together open the door to your new life. Island homes are often traditional stone cottages or farmhouses, full of character but in need of love. Finding one means talking to locals, checking co-ops, and scouring property sites. Prices can be surprisingly affordable. A derelict cottage may cost under €100,000, but renovation is the real investment. The grant can cover more than half the cost, making the project manageable. Renovating on an island is challenging. Materials and labor must come by ferry, and weather can slow progress. Work with local experts who understand island logistics and traditional building methods. The result is a home that's both modern and deeply rooted in its environment. The grant covers essentials: roof, insulation, heating, so you can focus your budget on personal touches. Energy-efficient upgrades are crucial for comfort and lower bills. The process takes patience, but the reward is a unique, welcoming sanctuary. With the grant, you can create your perfect island retreat. It's a chance to resurrect a piece of history and make it your own. Daily life on an Irish island can be affordable, especially with lower housing costs thanks to the grant. Property taxes are modest, often just a few €100 a year. Groceries and goods cost more due to ferry transport, but many residents grow vegetables, fish, or trade with neighbors. Utilities, especially electricity, are pricier than in the US, so energy upgrades pay off. High-speed internet is now widely available, making remote work and staying connected easy. Private health insurance is required, and specialist care means trips to the mainland. Overall, a simpler lifestyle and lower housing costs make island living manageable and rewarding. Irish islands offer a rare sense of safety and peace. Crime is virtually non-existent. People leave doors unlocked and neighbors look out for each other. If you need help, someone's always there. Community support is a way of life. The clean air, pure water, and star-filled nights add to the tranquility. Life moves at nature's pace, reducing stress and encouraging mindfulness. The soundtrack is wind, waves, and birdsong, not sirens or traffic. Winter storms can disrupt ferries, but islanders are resilient and prepared. Facing the elements together only strengthens community bonds. Self-reliance and mutual support are part of daily life. For retirees, this means peace of mind and a true sense of belonging. The islands are a haven of safety, connection, and calm. Retirement here is vibrant. Community events, music sessions, and local traditions fill the calendar. Newcomers are welcomed, and joining in is the fastest way to feel at home. The landscape inspires artists, writers, and photographers, while the outdoors offers hiking, fishing, and gardening. Hobbies are often shared, creating clubs and friendships. Festivals and celebrations bring everyone together, keeping traditions alive. With high-speed internet, you can work remotely, learn online, or stay in touch with family worldwide. The blend of tradition and modern connectivity lets you shape your retirement as you wish. You're not just a spectator, you're part of the story. Island life offers connection, creativity, and endless possibilities. Making your Irish island dream real takes planning, but each step brings you closer. Start by visiting. Experience the islands in all seasons and talk to locals. Once you find your island, begin the grant and visa applications in parallel. Identify a qualifying property and work with local agents or co-ops. Gather documents for your Stamp Zero visa, financials, intent letter, health insurance. After pre-approval and a property agreement, engage a solicitor and builder for purchase and renovation. Coordinate closely with your team in Ireland, especially if managing from abroad. Plan your move. Decide what to bring, arrange shipping, and set up essentials like a bank account and phone. Register with local authorities and complete your immigration paperwork. Tackle the checklist step by step. It's manageable with patience. Soon you'll be settling in, meeting neighbors, and starting your new adventure. The journey is worth it for the life that awaits. Why choose Ireland? It's not just the breathtaking scenery. It's the warmth, humor, and community spirit that make it special. Here, you'll find a sense of belonging and purpose, not just a place to live. The Our Living Islands initiative lets you help preserve a unique culture and keep communities thriving. Your move supports local schools, shops, and traditions, making your retirement truly meaningful. Ireland offers a life of connection, adventure, and peace, valuing community over consumption. It's a chance to write a new story for yourself, surrounded by wild beauty and genuine friends. As the Irish say, he who travels has stories to tell. By choosing Ireland, you're starting a new, wonderful chapter. Your story is waiting on the shores of the Emerald Isle.